Now we have already studied the formula for spherical mirrors. So now let us see the formula for spherical lenses. Okay. Now I have drawn a very small diagram here. Suppose this is a convex lens, and as per the sign convention we have said that the object is always placed on the left hand side of the lens. So this is your object. Suppose this is AB. Okay. Now I have to find out the distance of the object from the lens. Okay, so I have to measure the distance from the optical center from this direction to this direction. So this is the object distance. Okay, how far the object is from the optical center O. So this object distance is represented by a symbol U. Similarly, suppose an image is formed. Suppose I say that A dash B dash is the image. So once again the distance at which the image is formed from the optical center has to be considered. So this is called as the image distance, and it is denoted by small v. So image distance is equal to v. And the focal length of the mirror. Do you remember what is a focal length? The distance between the optical center and the principal focus is called as a focal length, small f. Now there is a relationship between object distance u, image distance v, and the focal length f of a lens. And this formula is called as the lens formula. And the lens formula is expressed as 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Now how to derive this formula, we are not going to get into the details. You just remember what is a mirror, what is a lens formula. 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. I hope you have understood that object distance is represented by small u, image distance is represented by small v, and the focal length of the lens is denoted by f. And there is a relationship between object distance, image distance, and focal length of the lens. And this relationship between all these three is called as a lens formula. Okay. For what is the lens formula? 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Magnification. The magnification produced by a lens is similar to that for spherical mirrors. And what is meant by magnification? Magnification which is produced due to a lens is the ratio of height of image to the height of the object. Okay. So for example, this is the lens, this is the object. So if I take the height of the object as h1, suppose this is the height of the object, suppose it is 3 centimeters, and this is the image. So the height of the image is taken as h2. Suppose the height of the image is 2 centimeters. So in this case magnification will be height of image h2 divided by height of object h1, that is 2 upon 3. Okay. So what is magnification produced by a lens? The magnification due to a lens is the ratio of height of image to the height of the object. So if the height of the image is denoted as h2 and height of the object is denoted as h1, then the magnification m will be is equal to h2 upon h1. Now magnification which is produced by a lens is also related to object distance. This is your object distance, the distance from the lens, optical center of the lens to the object, and the distance from the optical center of the lens to the image becomes the image distance. How do we denote the object distance? U. And how do we denote the image distance? V. So the magnification which is produced by a lens is also related to the object distance and the image distance. And it is, if the object distance is u and the image distance is v, then the magnification which is produced by a lens is equal to the ratio of distance of image upon distance of object. Distance of image v, distance of object u. So magnification m will be is equal to v by u. So now since magnification is height of image upon height of object, magnification is object distance, image distance upon object distance. So magnification m will be is equal to h2 upon h1 is equal to v upon u. So how will you define magnification due to a lens? The magnification produced by a lens is the ratio of height of image to the height of object. So what is a lens formula? The relationship between object distance u and the image distance v and the focal length f of a lens is called as the lens formula. And what is a lens formula? 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Similarly, we have also seen what is meant by magnification produced by a lens. The magnification M produced by a lens is the ratio of height of image H2 to the height of the object H1. That is, magnification is equal to H2 upon H1, which is also equal to the image distance, which is V upon U, which is the object distance. Also remember that if the magnification is the magnification which will be produced by a lens will be positive whenever the image is virtual, as the virtual image is an erect image. But if the magnification produced by a lens will be negative whenever image is real image and it is an inverted image. These are some of the important conventions that we have to remember, children, because when we are describing the image, when we solve the numericals, these are the things that you must keep in your mind, that if the image is erect and if the magnification is positive, it means that the image is virtual and erect. If the magnification value comes to negative, it means that the image is real and inverted.